some new parts for me. He has finished my bag.
Number 10. Walker. Walker is an intelligent bipedal humanoid robot that aims to one day be an indispensable part of human life. Standing 4.75 feet tall and weighing 170 pounds, the new version of Walker is more advanced than ever, including arms and hands with the ability to grasp and manipulate objects. It has a refined torso with improved self-balancing, smooth and stable walking in difficult environments, and multimodal interaction, including voice, vision, and touch. Walker has 36 high-performance actuators and a full range of sensing systems that work together to ensure smooth and fast walking. Equipped with both hardware and artificial intelligence upgrades, combined with the updated ability to adapt to complex environments, Walker X is more advanced than ever. Number 9. HRP-4C. The HRP-4C, nicknamed MIM, is a feminine-looking humanoid robot created by the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, a Japanese research facility. MIM measures 158 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kilos, including a battery pack. She has a realistic head and face and the figure of an average young Japanese female. She can move like a human, utilizing 30 body motors and another 8 dedicated to facial expressions. MIM can also respond to speech using speech recognition software and is capable of recognizing ambient sounds. MIM can also sing using the vocal synthesizer Vocaloid. The software that operates the robot is developed on the basis of Open Robotics platform, including OpenRTM ACE and OpenHRP3. 2011 upgrades to MIM's human-like walking ability were shown in a video released by AIST and have been called super realistic. Applications for the HRP-4C may include the entertainment industry and a human simulator for evaluation of devices. Number 8. Talos. Talos is a high-performance humanoid robot developed by PAL Robotics, has been officially presented at the LAS CNRS in Toulouse, France. This is the first platform of the Talos robot series from PAL Robotics and is named Pyrene. It will be used by the LAS CNRS's Geppetto team to perform research about navigation, anthropomorphic movements, and interaction with the environment. The mission is to put Talos in a new concept of factory, in which can take part in tasks that are physically demanding or performed in hostile conditions for humans. The following developments that Geppetto team will make with Pyrene consist on making the robot walk in accidented surfaces, lift heavy weights, and improve its interactions to be safe and efficient. PAL Robotics designed Talos to become the next generation of humanoid robots by integrating advanced electronics and sensors on the inside. Talos is fully torque control, which is enabled by torque sensors in all its joints, and in the end, makes the robot suitable for safe human-robot interactions. This is also enhanced with EtherCAT communications, a system that makes its data network faster and facilitates fast reactions to any external force. The PAL Robotics humanoid robot can also walk dynamically at a maximum speed of 3 kilometers per hour. Its 7 DOF arms have a 6 kg payload each, with the arms stretched, being able to nimbly use heavy industrial tools. Talos' software is 100% ROS capable, like all the other robots of the PAL Robotics family. Number 7. Xerobot. Standard humanoid robots mimic the human form, but the mechanisms used in such robots are very different from those in humans, and the characteristics of the robots reflect this. This places severe limitations on the kinds of interactions such robots can engage in, on the knowledge they can acquire of their environment, and therefore on the nature of their cognitive engagement with the environment. However, a new kind of robot is being developed by this project consortium, an anthropomimetic robot. Instead of just copying the outward form of a human, it copies the inner structures and mechanisms, bones, joints, muscles, and tendons, and thus has the potential for human-like action and interaction in the world. The objectives of the project are to design and build an anthropomimetic robot torso mounted on a powered mobile platform. Number 6. Coman. Most humanoid robots developed over the past few decades have had stiff joints, and that's a problem if they're ever going to interact with people. Their unyielding arms and legs could injure a person if they accidentally whack someone, or if they lose balance and fall down. Now, a team from the Italian Institute of Technology is approaching that goal with their robot Coman, or compliant humanoid. Modeled on a 4-year-old child, Coman is 94.5 centimeters tall and weighs 31.2 kg. It has a combination of stiff and compliant joints. The compliant joints rely on series elastic actuators. These actuators, a custom design created by the IIT team, are applied to the flexion extension of the arms and legs, and are both small and modular, which makes them ideal for multi-DOF robots like humanoids. The researchers have also built custom torque sensors for each of the elastic joints, including a 6-axis force torque sensor for the ankle joints. Development of the robot is funded, in part, by the European Amarsi project. So what exactly does this compliance get you? The elastic actuators literally add a spring to Coman's step. In walking experiments, the robot's hardware naturally absorbed the ground reaction forces of each footstep without additional control enforcement, which is difficult to be realized by the stiff actuated humanoids if no particular foot mechanism or active control is applied. And when they implemented a stabilization control method, the robot steadied itself on a moving platform and when it was knocked around. Number 5. HRP-5P. The Humanoid Robotics Project is a project for development of general domestic helper robots, sponsored by Japan's Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry and New Energy and Industrial Technology Development Organization, spearheaded by Kawada Industries and supported by the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology and Kawasaki Heavy Industries, Inc. The HRP series also goes by the name ProMet. Senior researchers at Ken Sakaguchi have developed a prototype HRP-5P, a humanoid robot that aims to autonomously replace human labor work and dangerous environment work. Number 4. Petman. Petman is an adult-sized humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics, the robotics firm best known for the Big Dog quadruped. It was designed for testing chemical protection clothing. They used it to see how the clothing would react in realistic situations. Petman is able to balance itself and move freely, walking, bending, and doing a variety of suit-stressing calisthenics during exposure to various chemical warfare agents. Petman also can simulate human physiology within the protective suit by controlling temperature, humidity, and sweating to provide realistic test conditions. Boston Dynamics is building Petman, short for Protection Ensemble Test Mannequin, for the U.S. Army, which plans to use the robot to test chemical suits and other protective gear used by troops. The humanoid can perform various movements and maintain its balance much like a real person. Number 3. InMove. Gaël Langevin is a French sculptor and designer. InMove is his personal project. It was initiated in January 2012 as the first open-source prosthetic hand. It has led to projects like Bionico, Enable, and many others. InMove is a humanoid robot, constructed out of 3D printable plastic body components and controlled by Arduino microcontrollers.
Bob has been busy making some new parts for me. He has finished my bag.
Replicable on any home 3D printer with a 12 by 12 by 12 centimeter area, it is conceived as a development platform for universities, laboratories, hobbyists, but first of all for makers. Its concept, based on sharing and community, gives him the honor to be reproduced for countless projects throughout the world. Number 2. Plen 2. Plen is a robot kit consisting control boards, servo motors, and accessories that you can put together yourself. Plen is a small desktop toy humanoid robot that can replicate complex human movements. It is controlled remotely by use of a Bluetooth-enabled phone. When programmed, it is able to use a skateboard, roller skates, pick up, kick, and throw small things, and stand up if he tumbles to the floor. It does not feature any sensors or automatic software reactions to certain events, as it is entirely remote controlled. 3D data for the main components of the robot are provided free of charge. Thus, using a 3D printer, anyone can customize the data and make their own original parts. The control board of Plen 2 is an Arduino-compatible control. Gadget lovers can easily do some programming and add function to Plen 2. A control board for ROS middleware is also lined up, meaning technical experts and researchers will be able to conduct full-fledged robot development. Number 1. Hubo. Hubo is a walking humanoid robot, head-mounted on a life-size walking bipedal frame, developed by the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology and released on January 6, 2005. According to Hubo's creator, Professor Jun-Ho Oh, and his plenary session at ICRA 2012 entitled Development Outline of the Humanoid Robot, Hubo 2, the name Hubo, is simply a name, not an abbreviation. Hubo has voice recognition and synthesis faculties, as well as sophisticated vision in which its two eyes move independently of one another. Hubo 2 is a full-size humanoid that can walk, run, dance, and grasp objects. It uses a straight-leg walking gait that's an improvement over most bipedal robots, which keep their knees bent to balance. That's all we have for you, folks. Join us next time.